The Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association, with support from the NHM Department of Health, Government of Meghalaya conducted a 2-week-long training from 12th to 23rd of October 2020 on learning to live with COVID and earning livelihoods safely. During the 10 days, 2 sessions a day were conducted with 30 people per session. The good response to these trainings meant that on several days extra sessions had to be conducted. A total number of 750 hawkers have been trained on understanding what the coronavirus is, how it is transmitted, and how to break the chains of transmission. The training stressed on the preventive measures of contracting the virus, such as properly wearing of masks, including when one is talking and chewing kwai, on frequent hand washing and sanitizing, on maintaining social distance of 6 feet, and to follow the association norms of following the even and the odd numbers based on ID numbers, such that this protocol can be met by the hawkers, ensuring respiratory and cough etiquette, such as covering one's mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing and not spitting. The training also talked about the need to boost one's immunity by adopting healthy ways of eating. Realizing that there are a number of myths and false narratives doing the rounds, a part of the training also focused on busting these myths and talking about stigma and discrimination because of COVID and how to prevent this. The trainees were also taught about the different tests for COVID and the false negatives and false positives and the need for testing. The training also delves into what to expect when one gets COVID and what are the do's and don'ts during quarantine. The association is happy to have been able to reach out to 750 of its members, and it will be conducting a pamphlet distribution drive this week to further educate others so that together they can assure each other's safety and overcome this pandemic. The organization feels that the use of multimedia presentation during the training was very effective in helping the attendees understand all the concepts surrounding COVID more clearly, and it will be happy to collaborate with others and hold trainings for other groups, be it youth groups or the Darbar Shnongs or others, and those who wish to have such trainings can contact the organization on the number 986 30 97754.